Sweet dreams, Blue.
Hold up! Blue's keeping Black busy. Impulse, Beast Boy, and I will drag everyone else into the bioship's hold. Once we're in, you need to be at the helm, ready to make a fast exit.
Right. Execute.
I let it fall.